Right, here we go, new version 9.9.2. And let's see what new in this version. So the first thing you will notice is the laser beam. It is less visible and it's nicer. So when you like point at something, it's more visible even at a distance. You will see how it changes. And now when you interact with it, the visual look much better, much better. Right. Another thing you will notice is some tools are always visible, and you can always like hold X to toggle and show more tools if you need. But some will be always visible. So for example, the audio output, and then the audio reactive toggle. So if you toggle it on, you play. Let's do some other instrument, like for example this one. You will see that's audio reactive showing. And this audio output is like useful when you want to make a connection with like audio effects. So to differentiate between an audio effect and a normal orb is that the audio effects have these stripes, so you could always connect the output of one object to another quickly, because the input and output is always visible to you, always available. Similarly to other objects like this classics, so you could always connect the output of that to the input, like sampler, same thing, connect. And in this version we're able to save the movement. So you want to save all of these audio connection and recall it later. Save it, give it a name, audio connection, save, and we can recall it later. So for example, I have another movement here called connection movement. Let's call it up. You will see have these three objects, and you have the audio connection already there for you. So let's call up the earlier movement that we've just saved. So every object is recalled as exactly where they were, and all the connections are maintained. Another update in this version is that instead of using the grip button, now we use a trigger. Triggers for all of these like small tools for the samplers, and to connect the output of an object to input of another object. So let me do a demonstration. So for record a sample, point to the record button, hit trigger. So there's a recording. And then we can stop it. And we can play it in one shot or loop.
Hit trigger. So there's a recording.
You could save it, give it a name,
Trigger. So there's a
and then record it later. So for example, I have 3 recording right here. You could play that.
Let's do another one.
Yeah. Or record another one. Play.
And just say hello 1, 2, 3. And just say hello to.
Yep. So movement.
Hello to.
So all of these connections are saved to movement, and similarly in composition, we open, like, for example, this movement right here, connections. Open that, and play. Then it will record some movement with all the audio connections already there. So in a couple of seconds, it will change to another movement. All these connections saved. All right, so let me see anything else. Yep. So now when we hover out of these tools, like the audio input and output, it will show like, here's the audio output, here's the audio input, that way you can connect things together like that. So, all right, that's all for this version 9.9 and 2. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.